Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In the event that you just purchased a brand new Gravely lawnmower, we're going to walk you through the manufacturer's recommended steps for best mowing results. And these can be found in your owner's manual. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers outside in the garage now, and your owner's manual has this all mapped out for you in a very good bullet point step procedure here for best mowing results. Cut grass when it's dry. That's very important because in the event that you mow early morning when the grass is slightly damp from the dew, you are going to get lots of clumps of grass stuck in the underside of your mower deck, and it's going to bog down the blades and cause added and very unnecessary stress and harm to your belts and pulleys that drive your blades. So do not do that. In addition, in the event that it rained last night and your ground is still wet the next day, don't mow. Wait a little while. Second thing is keep mower blades sharp. That's very important. And there is a numerous amount of things that you can do to prevent your blades dulling faster than they should. Next, keep mower deck properly leveled. That is very important. And to do that, we have made a step-by-step video on how to properly and safely level your mower deck. And that video is scrolling above. Definitely check that out if you're curious and want guidance on how to level your deck. Next, adjust the anti-scalp wheels to prevent scraping. Let's go look at the wheels real quick. As you make your way around the mower deck, you've got those wheels, and those wheels are very important. They are there to protect your mower deck as well as the under portion of your deck where the blades are and your pulleys and belts. And what I mean by that is as you maneuver your mower over uneven ground or over bumps or holes, those wheels will actually come into play, and once they hit the ground, they will lift your mower deck to a point where your lower blades do not strike any portion of your lawn, causing massive holes or cut marks, which ultimately save the life of your blades. So again, those are very important, and make sure they are on and secured. You've got a locking nut here, and you've got a bolt that goes all the way through both the steel frame here, the wheel, and the backside. Make sure they are all secure and not loose. Again, those are very, very important for the protection of your mower deck. Next, do not set height of cut too low. For very tall grass, mow twice. And that's what we're gonna do to the rear portion of our property because it has grown higher than the other portion of our property. Back to the mower, and I want to show you how you can adjust your mower deck. That pedal up front there, before you push it, chances are it is in the transport mode, as you can see here, and that means your deck is as far up off the ground as it can be to protect your mower deck during transport. And then here, you have several holes that have several measurements on them, and then you have a locking rod here. By pushing that forward, it raises the deck. This little lever here, go ahead and push back, and you can slowly lower your deck. At that point, you can rest that lever down, and now your deck is no longer in the transport mode. When it comes time to change the height of your deck and blades below for mowing purposes, again, pushing on the lever. This inner rod is magnetic. You can pull it out and you can pick which setting you want it. For example, if you want it 2 inches off the ground, you will insert it right in there. And if you want it 5, you'll go all the way up there. However, we're gonna keep it in 3.25. Insert that, realign the hole, drop it all the way down, and release that pedal. And again, as the owner's manual says, do not drop it to a very low setting when your grass is very long. Set it to a higher setting and mow twice. Back to the owner's manual, do not travel too fast. Obviously, the faster you go, the less efficient you are going to cut your grass. Next, mow with the engine set at full throttle. Back to the mower, and in the full down position, you are in slow or turtle mode. And once your engine is running and you're ready to mow, you will first engage your PTO. And as you can see here by this pictorial icon on the knob itself, by pulling the knob up, it engages the lower blades inside your deck. And by pushing the PTO knob down, it stops the blades. So first you will pull your PTO knob to the up position, engaging your blades, and then you will slowly increase your thrust lever to the full upward rabbit position. And that's very important because in the event that you mow your grass with any setting below full or rabbit, meaning right here, half, or in the turtle mode, you are putting so much unnecessary stress on your lower blades as well as your belts and pulleys on the upper portion of your deck, which are right in here. You do not want those snapping or wearing out by self-induced procedures. Do not do that. Back to the manual, the next thing is on mulching. We're not gonna mulch, but do pay attention to that in the event that you are. Discharge clippings into areas already cut. And what that means is don't start on the left side with the discharge chute facing inward and mow in a perfect circle or square, causing all the cut grass to go in the center. Because when it gets to your final portion of your mowing, you are going to ingest all that cut grass and add additional stress to your belt and pulleys, and you just don't want that. Again, unnecessary stress. In addition, varied cutting pattern with each mowing. We just talked about that. Next, do not allow grass or debris to collect inside the mower deck. What you want to do is clean after each use. That's very, very important. And with that said, there is a very cool product out there on the market that allows you to spray the entire underside of your deck as well as blades, which helps alleviate grass clumping up and sticking to your blades and under portion of your deck. And it's a very popular product, and most mower owners have that sprayed on the under portion of their deck. And we do have a step-by-step video on how to do that. We will post that down below in the comment section as well as the description section. Definitely check that out. You might want to spray that product on the lower portion of your deck and blades. From here, let's take a look at the grass. Again, it's early season spraying, so as you can see here, there is still dead portions of grass. And in my opinion, it is not long enough for cutting. However, there is a portion of our yard that is ready, and we're going to cut that today. So with that said, YouTubers, hopefully the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That will be awesome and very helpful to us. Thanks again for watching.